Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use Uniswap to swap USDT to ETH. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that your wallet is connected to Uniswap and has USDT available. So this helps you to convert stable coins to ETH quickly and safely. First, open your app.uniswap.org, and then you will have to connect your wallet, which is right here. And then after you've connected your wallet, what you will have to do is go to the swap section. So just go ahead and click trade, and then you will see swap. And now what you will have to do is select USDT in the first field, which is right here. And then what you will have to do is select ETH for the second field. And then after that, you will enter the amount of USDT that you would want to swap. So any preferred amount of USDT, whatever you prefer. So yeah, and then you will review the estimated ETH and the gas fees, and then after that you will finally click swap and approve the transaction in your wallet. So by the way, if you've connected your wallet successfully, you should see a swap button here, and then after that you will just have to click it and then wait for the blockchain confirmation and check your wallet balance. Double check token addresses before approving. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.